The ZHUOLIN 4800 PSI Power Washer is equipped with a robust motor capable of generating up to 4,800 pounds per square inch, making it ideal for tackling tough cleaning tasks. Its total stop system feature ensures the motor ceases operation when the trigger is released, enhancing energy efficiency and extending the lifespan of the pump. This lightweight machine is designed for portability, complete with a long 25-foot hose and convenient wheels, making it easy to maneuver around various cleaning sites. The washer comes with 5 quick connect nozzles, allowing users to choose the right pressure for different surfaces, from high pressure for stubborn stains to low pressure for delicate areas. The included foam cannon is a fantastic addition, producing ample suds to effectively clean vehicles and other surfaces. ZHUOLIN provides reliable customer service, offering assistance and ensuring a quality experience for users of this electric pressure washer.